Customer dropped this off, said it's been sitting in a garage about 3 years. So what's the first thing I say to always do? Careful visual inspection. Well, something already, the doggone battery ain't even hooked up. Huh. Sitting that many years, 3 years, I think they said. It's probably got nothing in it. Let's see what we got. 0.43. That's it. So number one, I see this is a March of 18 battery, so it's about 6, 7 years old. It's also a Walmart battery. I know it's upside down, but we call that a never start. Let's start with a new battery. Believe it or not, this machine only has 106 hours on it. Normally, I would charge this battery overnight and then load test it. But given the age of it and what brand it is, that's why we're going with a new one. Interstate Battery SP35. Let's tighten it down. All right, let's get our negative. I know my hand's probably in your way, isn't it? While I was tightening up the battery, I'm just looking around and I noticed, look, these bolts are not tight and they're in the wrong spot. That long shoulder, come take a look. The long shoulder is supposed to go in the back of the engine cover, and those aren't tight either. Somebody's been in this thing. Huh. Oh, look. They've got this on wrong too. Wonder why they were inside of it. Now keep in mind, if y'all are watching every little thing as they go, there's a screw right there. Whoops. There's a little tiny screw goes right there that's missing too. Huh. Well, I'm going to pull this engine cover off. First thing we have to do is get that fuel pump. But I also noticed that fuel filter is completely dry. So I don't know what we're going to find when we get in here. So these just snap in. And just a little twisty pop. And they pop right out. And with those not out, whoever did this didn't know what they were doing. So maybe they didn't do a whole lot in here. I don't know yet. Drop my screw. There it be. All right, let's see what we're dealing with under this engine cover. Anything look weird? Well, looks like an engine. All right, let's at least look at this oil. It's clean, but it's low. Let me top that off. Welcome back to Rayleigh's Small Engines. I'm T-Bone. This is your Get to the Point channel. So I just happened, well, off camera, the only thing I did, I put oil in it, and this thing, it won't move. Rut row. Let's look in here. Let's see if I can. I'm going to get me a socket and a ratchet, attach it, see if it'll turn. All right, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pop the spark plug out. And we're going to see what's going on. I might be taking the battery back out, huh? I don't know if they want to spend the money to fix the engine. Maybe we'll get lucky and it's not locky uppy. All right, when you're taking these out, and if you got one that won't turn, always watch. If you see a bunch of gas running out, you got a carburetor problem. This one's dry. Well, I've been sitting 3 years. It probably evaporated. All right, let's see. Okay. Houston. That's fine. It's just the nut loosening. Don't worry about that. We got a locked up engine. Yep, I put it back together, put the man's old battery back in. Here is the problem. Can I fix it? Yes, I can fix it. We can put a new engine on it. We could rebuild that one. It's a lot of money. Here is the real question. I need you guys to answer right down in the comments here, okay? Let me show you what the holdup is. Here's the holdup. What do you see right there? That is shame. Yep. That is a black plastic transmission. Can you believe that? Shame on John Deere. It's not a question of if that transmission is going to go out. It's a question of when. If this customer spends all this money to repair this engine or replace this engine, and then I'm going to feel really bad if I do that and they got a good running engine and the transmission goes out. Because you can fix that stupid little pulley up on top, that screw, it's going to come out again. And then that transmission's going to fail. So y'all leave it right down in the comments. What would you do if this was your machine? What would your decision be if you had it at a shop and they told you this? Let us know. Put it right down in the comments. Thanks for tuning in to Rayleigh's Small Engines. I'm T-Bone. This is your Get to the Point channel. Thank you for watching. Click that subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share these videos with your friends. Leave those comments down there. We'd love some thumbs up, some shares, and comments. What would you do? Y'all have a great day.
T-Bone's back, red and black. Hat on head, hair down his back. Fixing mowers, cash in hand. Grease-stained shirt, wrench in hand. Mower's broke, but he got a plan. T-Bone fix him over this land. Bad gas in the air, thick. Oil's dripping down so slick. Red teeth, eyes dead set. Ain't a mower he ain't fixed yet. Mower's broke, but he got a plan. T-Bone fix him over this land. Bad gas in the air, thick. Oil's dripping down so